The reason why I put this man for my screen today, some days ago, I waka jam the video when he do. When he do the video, he called the talk, say, one man, one native doctor, he called Chief Odudu, say he go knock Tony Kabaka wife. You listen, no? Say he go knock Tony Kabaka wife. Who call her so? He say na person. He no record down. Person call you, tell you that kind of strong thing. You no record down. You can't come on social media, you can't talk on. Now you talking like that now. So when I see the video, I was angry. I was angry with him. I no lie. In fact, I was bitterly angry with him because waiting my eye no reach. Now Facebook now for drop him. As I enter this TikTok with the kind of audience when I get, I feel say to lie na shame to me. To lie na shame to me. So there is nothing that will make me lie. Nobody will not make mistake for life, but this is your mistake too big. The reason why they put this video here, after all said and done, when you just still do the video finish, the native doctor they call Odudu come one side, come talk say, he no need problem. For you to just rest, it comes to the fire for the thing. The man will swear for you. This evening now you can realize say you don't error. And they use this medium tell they on behalf of Atiti, tell they beg Tony Kabaka, Odudu, the swagalicious native doctor, and their household. May they beg, may they forgive this man, Atiti. This is one of the biggest temptations you can ever see as a presenter. This is the reason why experience is the best teacher. May happened last year, but it not just still be like this. Somebody call me for phone, say one woman buy, not knowing say the woman not buy. I can't post her. At the end of the day, I can't still apologize to the woman. But since that time, when I go observe, even people they look for their person, I'll first tell them they first put the picture for their back first. If they don't put the picture for their back, before me, go come put the picture for my own. I am not trying to be extra careful in order for me not to fall into problems or stress. Baba Atiti, I believe now say you go learn with what happened to you so. And they see people they talk say, Shebi is saying a native daughter. Arriba. Even if you say you be strong native daughter, if you lie for person head, you will collect. Even say you be strong pastor, if you lie for person head, you will collect. For the lie when you lie for Tony Kabaka, wife enemy head, and Odudu will be spiritual man. The juju will they carry come out for you, a very big juju. A very big juju. A juju walk by person go fed dash you money. Me for no say life is sweet. The moment where you enjoy that money, go take you. This was a very big error from you. Allegedly, you said it was someone that sent you the message. You for tell the person may come use the mat. Take talk out for your live stream for video call. You for not involve yourself for all these things, because you are no longer a baby. You are more than 50 years. So a man that is more than 50 years is no longer a child. But sometimes in life, nobody will know they do a mistake. I pray, make those people forgive you. That's why I can't join my hands with you. Make una beg, make una forgive Atiti. A part Atiti, this thing where they look so, it will cost you money. So you go ready. Because now juju they take carry all those, the money they take carry all those juju come aside. You go ready. Number 2, you go beg, this thing will cost you money and your time. Because anything these people won't even do with you, na social media they go for the doing with you. All these things, what they do you so, now Facebook will leave and put. Try me you build your audience, and you still get people who go listening to you. Try they do good thing. Try me they use your platform till they do good thing, not before saga. Even if you say you want to do saga, you go know send a person that they find your trouble. Not be say you want your on your platform till they do saga. Like me now, by the special grace of God Almighty, I have used my platform to help a lot of people. I want you to emulate such characters from me. By age, you are older than me. You are supposed to give me all this kind of advice, not me giving it to you. But there's an adage that still says, love the water. Odion one or Ohen one. Small pikin they grow, big person they grow. You have made the mistake, and I pray they forgive you. I pray. I just pray they forgive you. So please, this one should apply to all those upcoming presenters where they feel say, man, they feel get away with anything where they tell people. Some people not they hear a bego. Some people have the spirit of heartlessness. Some people, if you do the something, they beg them. It go be like say you they mock them, they join with you, do them. Some people do like that. If they beg them, I get time for family. Now my cousin brother. If you do that boy something, he not go ever forgive you. He can never. You know, guy you want to beg. If you like, you beg him. He go tell you say don't rest, but he don't will forgive you. But nobody will they go for offense before we they'll come ask for forgiveness, so we not go say okay, Mona let go. But I beg on behalf of this man, Mona I beg. People should forgive him. I believe he has learned his lessons, and I believe he will never say such a thing again. Even if say he want to talk that kind of thing, he will make sure say he get the evidence of the video when the woman take talk him. He will make sure say he still get the woman picture, number, and everything. So I beg, I continue to beg for her like this before we hear from those two people who in lie for head. Atiti, now the time you go take beg, and you did so. The downfall of a man is not the end of his life, but you have to learn from this. There's an adage in Britain that says, if you are a woman, I no give a one. If one thing do person, you go use the other one to get saints. Alright, that one does the pass.